In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear sway bar links on this Volkswagen GTI. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the wheel, use a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts out. Once we get to the last one, I'm just going to hold the wheel on, take the bolt out so it doesn't fall. You grab the wheel and slide it off. And we're going to take this nut off. I'm going to use a 16mm socket. Get it to start spinning. And then on the back side, I'm going to use some locking pliers just to keep the stud from spinning. There we go. Take that nut off. You can remove the locking pliers. Now I'm going to use some locking pliers on the back side just to hold the stud from spinning. In a 16mm socket, take the nut off. Slide that off. Rotate this out. And it slides right out, just like that. I'll slide the new one in place, up top first. Get this to line up. Take the bolt. It's going to go from the back side. You might have to pry the bar down. Put the nut on. Get that started. Using a 13mm wrench on the bolt and a 15mm socket, tighten this down. And we'll torque this to 33 foot-pounds. Put the nut on. Get that started. I'm going to use a 15mm ratchet wrench. And then in the stud, I'm going to use a 5mm hex key just to keep the stud from spinning. Snug that down. Now we'll torque that to 33 foot-pounds. And install the wheel. Put the bolts in, lug bolts. Get those started. And put the other ones on. Snug those down. Now I'm going to torque the lug bolts to 90 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.